In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer crypto coin from Kraken account to Bitget application in very simple steps. So we will compare all the network fees on the Kraken account, and we will also learn that which network you have to select for the minimum fees and from where you can get deposit address on the Bitget application. So please watch full video. Do not miss any part of the video, otherwise you may lose your fund. And if you are new on this channel and not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this channel for more tutorials. Now let's come on the Kraken account first. So here you can see I have opened Kraken application on my cell phone. So we have 9 USDT on our Kraken account. So I want to transfer some crypto from my Kraken account to Bitget application. Now come on the portfolio, and here you can see I have only USDT in my Kraken account. You can withdraw any crypto coin whatever you want. So I have only USDT and I want to withdraw these USDT from here. So select the Tether USDT. After that you have to press the 3 dot which you can find on the top of the right, and here you can see the options: convert, deposit, withdraw and USD details. So we are withdrawing from here and we will deposit on the Bitget application. So press withdraw. Here you have to type the USDT, that how much USDT you want to withdraw, or any crypto coin you want to withdraw. You can select the percentage, that 25% of the amount, 50%, 75%, whatever you want, you can type here. I want to withdraw 5 USDT from here. After that, first you have to add a new address here where you want to deposit these USDT. Add new address. So here you can see the multiple networks which we have available, just like Ethereum, Tron, Solana, Polygon, Arbitrum and Optimism. And you can see the fees. For the withdraw, for the Ethereum, you have to pay the $8 fee and it will be arrived in 16 minutes. Similarly, for the Tron, $3 fee and will be arrived in 6 minutes. For the Solana, you have to pay the $1 fee. For the Polygon, you have to pay the $1 fee. So the cheap networks are Solana and Polygon. So I will select Solana here, and here you have to add a new address where you want to deposit these USDT on the Solana network. So come on the Bitget application. So we have opened Bitget application on my cell phone. Press the assets, and here you have to select the add fund. After that you will find multiple options. I have already on crypto. I want to buy crypto. So here you have to select deposit crypto. Select the coin which you want to deposit here. So I want to deposit USDT here. Select USDT, and this is the main part of the video. You have to select the same network on the both sides. Otherwise you may lose your funds. So we have selected Solana network on the Kraken platform. So we will select Solana here. Copy this address. Now here there is another option, that where you want to deposit these funds, on your spot account, funding account or future account. I want to deposit on my spot account. Copy this address. Now paste this address on the Kraken platform and save this address. Paste USDT address here. Add the description or nickname for this address. So here you can see our address will be saved on the nickname of my Bitget USDT Solana. Now you will receive a confirmation email on your email address. Verify the address. After that you can continue to withdraw. So here you can see we have received an email. Confirm this address. So after verifying the address, again come on the Kraken application. Now press continue to withdraw. 5 USDT I want to transfer, and the address will be my Bitget USDT Solana address. Press review. So here you can see the confirmation page that 4.99 USDT will be withdrawn from this address. The amount is 4.99 and the fee is 1 USDT. So total USDT is 5.99. So after verifying every detail, tap to withdraw, and here we go. Withdrawal has been initiated. It will take couple of minutes to transfer these funds into the Bitget application. So click on the view transaction history, tap withdraw, and the status is sending. So it will take couple of minutes. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this channel for more tutorials. So you have to wait couple of minutes here after transferring these funds. Sometime it will show success here, but it will also take some time to receive on the Bitget application. So do not worry. Now the status has been updated into confirming and success. Now here it shows that withdrawal has been completed. Now let's come on the Bitget application. Sometimes it takes some more time to receive on the Bitget application. So come on the Bitget application, come on the assets, come on the spot, and here you have to select the coin which you deposit. Select USDT, press history button. So here currently it is showing the old transaction. So it will take some more time to receive your USDT here. So you have to wait here. So here you can see the deposit has been success. Okay, press this button. 4.99 USDT has been deposited into our Bitget application. So I hope you understand so that how you can transfer any crypto coin from Kraken platform to Bitget application by following the very simple step. If you like this video, give me thumbs up. If you face any problem, please comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.